So guys, welcome. Today I'm excited. I've applied severally for the PIN verification for my AdSense account. As you can see, I'm holding the two of them. One delayed, so I had to reapply again. But today I'm delighted they arrived. My AdSense PIN for Google verification. So it tells that we'll start earning and money will start flowing. So in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come with me, we'll show you how we unpacked the envelopes until we're able to trace where the PIN is, and this is a step-by-step guide. So this is how we are unboxing it. Come along with me, remember to comment, congratulate me, tell me what is on your mind and how far about the progress that we are making. So here they are. We have the first one, the second one, the third one. This is any of the PIN. So come along with me. I chose this, and that's how we want to tear it step by step, pointing at the edges. This called mark. So guys, check how we are tearing it apart. So you're told to tear the sideways like that, but we want it to interfere with the PIN. Step by step, steady by steady, and then on the other side again. So there we go, there we go. And we are tearing it apart like that. And the long awaited PIN is here with us. The code is there, and there I'm pointing it. That is the PIN that I'm gonna use to verify my AdSense account. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.